This is going to be a real quick video, everyone. I just wanted to let you know that I received an email from Nakamichi themselves saying that tomorrow, April 26th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so 12 p.m. if you're on the East Coast and everything in between, you will be able to order the 75th anniversary world premiere edition of the new Nakamichi Dragon soundbar. But they are only going to have 500 of these units sold. So not only do you get to have a Nakamichi Dragon before everyone else, because there is a link you can go to right now that I'll have in the description below that shows that the regular sales, the non-limited editions, will be available in late Q3 of 2023. That means probably late September, you're probably gonna be able to order the Nakamichi Dragon finally. But to those lucky people who are able to get in and purchase the first 500, your main soundbar unit will then have a gold plate on it showing that it is the limited edition. You will also get a laser engraving of the logo on your remote, and you will get a digital booklet kind of showing behind the scenes kind of stuff. So I double checked with Nakamichi. They said it's totally cool for me to tell you about this right now. I didn't have to wait until tomorrow at 9 a.m. because some embargo needed to be lifted. No, they want this to be hyped up. So I am telling you now, get ready, put it in your calendars, get those thumbs warmed up, get those fingers ready on your mouse so you can get one of those extra special 75th anniversary editions. I know a lot of you are looking forward to the Nakamichi Dragon, and this is your way to possibly get one before everyone else. Because if you are one of the lucky ones that gets one of these 500 units, it will be delivered to you by the end of August at the latest. So obviously that's going to be before anyone else can even purchase it. So is that going to be you? Are you going to be one of the lucky 500? We'll see tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And now all I got to say is good luck. And if you do happen to snag one of those 75th anniversary editions, please let me know in the comments. All right, set your calendars. Get hyped. April 26th, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern. You got this. Peace.